Wicked. We get those right? Alright. Where do we head off to now? GG, yeah! Thank you! We get those, right? We'll leave it right here. And then, let's see. Where do we head off to now, guys? Who do you want to hunt down? Oh, you want to see my guesses? Okay, hold on. Here we go. Bam! Once I got to this part, I'm like, what is this? I was a little bit confused. But turns out, yeah, it is a word. So, yeah, this is what we had. Alright. Like a guard. Yeah! But I only had PR. So I was like, hold on. So I did like the little X, PR, X, and then A over here. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. This would have to be an A or an O. So I deleted all. EA Sports. Wait, what? EA game. Wait, what? It's in the sports? It's in the game. And then after I put APR, I'm like, what could this possibly be? And then I was like, oh, this makes sense. So, yeah, I know it. Yeah! I hope I know it. Somehow, some way. It's somewhere in my mind. Ooh, we both got it in 4. Let's go. That's pretty good. 2 winners! Because we both won, right? So we're both winners. Winner in our Howards. Yeah. Twinsies! Did you not? I'm so sorry, Luca. Did you not get it in the 4? How could you not? Hogwarts winners! Who wins? Hogwarts winners? You want that emote? The moon one? Well, a certain somebody has it. Hem. This one? I can add it through probably, actually, yeah, no, we have it in here. Oh, I thought we did. We have so many. Oh, it is. Look, it's right here. Oh, I guess it's not the full thing though, right? It's only the first part. I got you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Little Nene pyramid. What? Guys, what's that? What's that? I did the thing, yeah. Ah, woo! Thank you, Trent. Oh, sorry. Awooga! yeah. I could do it. Yeah, where do we go? Alright. We're gonna hear. Yeah. Thank you, Trent. Hopefully you heard it, yeah? Where's that dang fish? Somewhere, huh? Somewhere. Never to be found again. Hello, Viking Pichu. How are you? Welcome in.
I'm so sad.
And Viking Pichu, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the basement. Howdy. And sometimes needs a hug are awesome too. Doing fine. I'm glad to hear. The basement. Yes. We are currently in a basement. Don't worry. I let you guys out sometimes. So, no need to worry. Unless you don't like to be out. What are you gonna do now? You're cute. You can, let's see. Watch an anime or two. In between the queue times, right? Why would I say that? Why would I say what? It's a quote from the video. You're gonna lockpick yourself out? No, not possible. Definitely not possible. But kind of unfortunate timing, Pichu. But we were about to head on out. But don't worry, because I do have a Discord. I do have a Twitcher. Hold on. And the next time I'll be streaming will be what is it? On Friday, we're gonna be playing some Phoenix Wright Ace Attorney. So come on by. It's gonna be my first time pretty much playing it. So yeah. So, in the meantime, thank you guys so much for coming on out. I appreciate it. I appreciate it every single time. No, don't leave. I know. But I must go eat a kibble or two. I need to get some rest. You know? But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming on in. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for all your good luck with the Miku. I'm like, I don't know why it felt a little bit anticlimactic, considering we got like 3 whole 3 stars in a row. So I think that's what also made it feel like a little bit anticlimactic, you know? And then Flint, that will be, what is it? Our usual time, right? Our usual time? I'll make the announcement right now. Because, I totally forgot to ask you. I told you guys to remind me. That's gonna be at our usual time, though, for the movie, right? Right. You guys have an axe ready to break on out? What are you gonna be playing on Friday, Trent? More Final Fantasy? Thank you for the hydrate, Peachy. Thank you. Alright, cool. I'll make that announcement. Made it to the end. Let's go! And you didn't fall asleep? Let's go! So much excitement, right? I know you're ready. Always! Alright. Let's start this up. Don't forget to copy and paste the raid messages. We're gonna be heading on out to Risk of Rain right now. It's not really like the same, but a little bit of the same feel as Vampire Survivors in terms of picking up lots of power-ups and stuff. So, decided that this would be a good place to go. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one, and thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. It means a lot to me every single time! And what is it? It makes it worth, not like, I mean, you know, it makes it worth getting up in the mornings. I'm getting. But yeah, you have your own. I know, but this is for, this is for everybody else that doesn't have their own, okay? Alright. I'll see you guys on the next one. And, have wonderful days, have wonderful nights. And I'll see you guys on, let's see. Yeah, Friday for, what is it? Some, Ace Attorney, alright? So, I'll see you guys on the next one. And, bye-bye!
Let's talk about our precious man.